Right, welcome to another lesson in High School ICT. In this lesson I want to show you briefly how we insert a table, but I just want to go over again the saving process and the reason why I save it as an HTML document. You can see when I click on the opening and closing tags it does not show that it's been closed or opened. So I'm going to go File, Save As. Right, so I've called it ICT Demo Lesson, and then I'm going to click the file, how I want it saved, and I choose Hypertext Markup Language because I'm coding in HTML and the web browser needs to pick up that that's the language being used. And I'm going to click Save, and now you'll see how they light up where I've gone and used the opening and a closing tag. Okay, so to start we are going to insert a table, and within that table, well, let me put in our opening and closing tag. Right, so within my table there are some attributes that I can put in, and I want to have my border equal 1, so that'll be the thickness of the border, semicolon, and then I want the width to equal 200. That'll be the total width of the actual table. I can make it bigger or smaller. All right, and I want to put a caption in. These are all in your notes. Caption, and I want it to say names of attendees, and remember, when you open, you close your tag. Alright, and now I'm going to start with my actual table, and remember that a table has a row, and then in the row you've got the cells, and those become your columns. So we always start off with table row, and then I'm going to have, so if you have your table you're going to have your headings at the top, so we use that tag table heading, and let me just skip down here, and I'm going to have the heading age and close. Okay, and then I'm going to close that table row. Right, and then we're going to insert the rest of our headings and data that we want. Right, I've inserted, I have my two headings, and what I want to now do is actually put my data underneath. So I'm going to save, and then I'm going to click Run, and I'm going to launch this in Chrome. Alright, so you can see how it's looking at the moment. I'm going to put the name and the age. And in the next video I'm going to show you how we're actually going to add in 2 more columns, and then we're going to merge this column over here, but I'll demonstrate that in our next lesson. Okay, so let's get back to our coding. So now we want to put data underneath name and data underneath age. So again, right, we are going to now put in our data under name and age in our table data, TD, and I'm going to put the name Jacob, and we're going to close table data, and we are going to put in table data again for the age, and Control C, Control B, put in the age and save. Go. Okay, so we've got our name and we've got the age. Right, so let's go and put in some more data. Right, so we've got our table row tag, and then we've got our table data. So remember that Jacob will come under name, 53 will come under age, and I've got my next row. So you can see I have my 3 rows. It is a little abstract. So you have your 3 rows going across, and then you've got your column coming down with name and age, and then Jacob goes under name, 53 under age, the same with Michelle. So let us save and have a look at our website. There we go. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add in extra coding because I want to have the surname. I want Jacob Smith and Michelle Jackson. I want their surnames to be put in. So let's go see what it looks like. And then I have to do something with this row over here with my table heading. All right, so let's go have a look. All right, so I've gone and added in Smith and 53 and Jackson 47. Okay, so I've added in their surnames. But now Jacob will go under name. Now let's see where Smith goes under, because I've only got 2 headings. All right, so let's go have a look at our page. So you can see what's happened is that name is correct, but the age has moved over a block. So I need this heading age to come over here, and then I could call this surname, but I actually want name to stretch across. So that's for our next video. I'm going to demonstrate how we do that, because I also want to show you how. So we're going to merge these two, create and push age across, and then I'm going to show you how we merge rows as well. All right then, till our next video, take care.